we can save the file hello world.c. Now if you see code information, it will show what functions are used. So only one function is there right now. If you see function called tree, because we don't have many functions, it is of no use. Again, there is one more thing, code templates. So suppose if we want to, in this function, if we suppose want to add a for loop, so we can select from this template. So this for loop is added, we just need to add some information here. Makes few things simple generally. If you want a switch case, we can add this. So it adds switch case break. This just helps you if you are not very used to with C codes. This will help you not to make syntax errors. Now we have saved the file, project is ready. We need to do some more, check out some more configurations. So we go to project and we go to configure. This is very important that these configurations are right. So this is the input file hello world.c. If you want another C code, you can remove and add another C code from here. These are the output directories. It shows executable file will be sent to exe directory. So the folder which we had made hello world, the executable file will go to the exe directory. Object file will go to obj directory, list files, linker files. So these are the directories that will be made inside that directory. Now let's come to C compiler. This is the compiler settings. So chip we have selected Tiny2313, clock is 8 MHz, and these basic settings. If you are using MMC SDHC card, we can enable this. These are some of the messages and warnings that comes if we do a mistake. So these are the paths of include and library. So these settings, now if you are using the programmer, you can use this program, the chip from here. So just after the compiler, it can program the chip. So these are the basic settings which we need to do. Now we'll build the project. So project build all. This will compile the project. Now the project is compiled. It says chip Tiny2313, clock frequency 8 MHz, model Tiny, 720 lines, compiled, no errors, no warnings. Data stack area 60H. And at last, the most important thing is program size is 103 words, 206 bytes, that is 10.1% of flash. So Tiny2313 has 2 kilobytes of flash, 10% of that is used, 206 bytes. So with this, our code is done, compiled, and X file is in the folder which we had made. So where is the folder? Okay. Okay, we can find it from here. Open. So it is in CodeVision AVR eval bin hello world. So we'll go to this path. C drive AVR eval. Bin hello world. So you see hello world directory, so many files are there, 4 folders which I showed you are there. Now this is this project file, this is the map file, and this is the source file which we had made. And in the exe folder, if you see, there are 2 files. So this Intel hex file is the file that you need to program using your programmer the board, and then LED will blink as you. So with this we are done programming and compiling the code. We can just take a quick look on setting the programmer. So there are quite a few programmer options in the software. If you have a Majestic A500 or AVR ISP, you can use it directly. AVR ISP MK2, AVR Dragon, JTAG ICE, AVR Prog, and all these programmers. If you have these programmers, you can directly program it using this software. Otherwise, like what we are using is S-Magic from TechnologyAhead. It is supported by PonyProg, so we use PonyProg for that. So we are done with generating the hex code. Now we'll program it to the Eureka board. For that we'll use PonyProg. So we go to tools, ponyprog.exe. So PonyProg software opens. From here we'll load the hex file is into this folder, hello world exe. This is the hex. We'll now first erase the chip. Chip is erased successfully. Now we'll program the flash. So the Eureka board is programmed, LED is blinking. I'll show you a video of the LED blinking. So friends, with this we are done with this program. We'll come up with new projects. Till then keep visiting technologyahead.com. See you, bye bye.